Good morning, all of you.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, beta. How are you all?
Sir, we all are fine.
Very good. गर्व बेटा कैसे हो? गर्व Hello, गर्व. How are you?
Sir, I am fine.
Very good. Mehul, how are you?
Sir, I am also fine.
Very good. Mohammad Imad, how are you?
Sir, I am also fine.
Very good, बेटा. मोहम्मद इमाद, आप क्लास अटेंड कर रहे हैं, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आद्रिका, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Very good. Hridyansh, how are you?
Sir, fine.
Hridyansh, beta, what is the pronunciation of your name? It is
Sir,
Hridyansh.
Hridyansh. Sir, what
Hridyansh.
you are asking?
Okay, it starts with H or R. मतलब हृदयांश है या
Sir,
हृदयांश? H.
H.
Okay, very good. हाँ जी बेटा. So we are doing the chapter division, chapter number 6 we are doing.
And sir, today we have to do exercise 6.1 D part, last means fifth question.
Fifth question is here, exercise 6.1. The last question is there, question number 5. Okay. Mehul, can you read the question? Fifth question.
Sir, of what?
Can you read the fifth question of exercise 6.1? Page number 60.
Yes. Yes, sir. If each chair costs 67, then how many can I buy with 4,500? How much money am I left with?
Yeah, well,
Sir, we will do divide by
you will do.
4,500 divided by
Can you
67.
Mehul beta, can you read the question again and एक बार फिर से बताना what is to be done?
Okay, sir. If each chair costs 67, then how many can I buy with 4,500? How much money am I left with? Sir, we will do divide.
Very
Sir,
good.
we will do divide 4,500 divided by 67.
Okay. Okay. So if each chair costs rupees 67, how many can I buy? I मतलब मेहुल खरीद रहे हैं चेयर. मेहुल ने कहा how many can I buy with rupees 4,500? मेहुल 4,500 रुपीज से कितनी चेयर्स परचेज कर सकते हैं? ओके. So how much money am I left with? लास्ट में इनके पास कुछ मनी बचेगा भी. That means ये मनी जो बचेगा इसका मतलब क्या है? What do you mean by the money left in the
Sir,
last?
remainder.
Yes, exactly correct.
Sir,
Remainder.
please give me the company name.
Yes, I have given you beta. So what you will do here to find the number of chairs Mehul can buy? एक तो first of all you will divide 4,500 by 67. डिवाइड करेंगे पहले. उसके बाद द quotient, जो quotient में नंबर आएगा, that will be the number of chairs that Mehul can buy. पहली बात. Second thing, जो remainder होगा, this number will not be completely divisible by 67. 4500 पूरा डिवाइड नहीं होगा 67 से, यू विल गेट सम रिमाइंडर। तो जो रिमाइंडर बचेगा दैट विल बी द मनी लेफ्ट इन द लास्ट विद मेहुल। मेहुल के पास जो मनी लास्ट बचेगा वो रिमाइंडर में आपको मिल जाएगा। ओके, कैन यू डू द क्वेश्चन? Write these statements
Yes,
and do the
sir.
question. Yes, start doing. Write the statements yourself and do the question. Try yourself. नहीं होगा कोई प्रॉब्लम आएगी, आई विल टेल। Yeah, have you all done the question?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, please add the statements also.
You want me to tell the statements?
Sir, yes, sir. I have written cost of each chair rupees 67. Then money I had rupees 4,500. Number of chair bought 4,500 divided by 67.
Absolutely correct. No problem.
Okay, sir. Then, sir, what sir, do I also have to write that money I'm left with?
Yeah, in the last you can write that. After
Okay,
the
sir.
division, you can write money that I'm left with.
Okay, sir.
So have you all done?
Sir, can you please tell the division? I not understand it. Sir, I write the all statement, but
No
I not
problem, beta,
understand.
no problem. I'm doing the division. Sixty-seven into seven is greater than 450, so we will take six into 7, 42. 36 plus 4, 40, 402. Remainder 48, then you copied 0. Now 7 times 67 into 7 is 469. So remainder 11. So you can buy 67 chairs because the quotient is 67. And after that, after buying 67 chairs, you will have 11 rupees remaining with you. Understood? All of you. Adrika, your answer is the same?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Others, same answer? Is there any network problem today?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, then let us start the second exercise. I hope you all have done the question.
Yes, sir.
चलो बेटा ठीक है फिर आगे करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 6.2 Yeah, this exercise is to be done in the book only. It is a very simple exercise. You can do this in the book. I am showing it on the board ki how to do it. Question A, first part. In fact, there is only one question which has 12 parts. So, how to divide a number by numbers like 1000, 100, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10, ऐसे नंबर से डिवाइड कैसे करते हैं नंबर्स को? See this 6154, we have to divide this number by 1000. Okay, तो पहले मैं आपको लॉन्ग डिवीजन से करके दिखाता हूँ. Then I will tell you the direct method how to do it. So 1000 is the divisor and 6154 is the dividend. So 1000 into 6. What is 1000 into 6? It is 6000. I hope you all are paying attention.
Yes,
So
sir.
1000 into 6 is 6000. The remainder is 154. Okay. So that means the quotient when you divide this number 6154 by 1000, you get the quotient as 6 and the remainder as 154. Did you notice something? अगर मैं ये जो नंबर 6154 जो नंबर है इसमें से फर्स्ट डिजिट को अगर मैं अलग कर दूंगा तो ये क्वोशंट हो गया एंड लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स को अगर मैं अलग कर दूंगा तो ये रिमाइंडर हो गया. एम आई राइट?
Okay, sir. So it's easy.
So direct method, what is the direct method? Let me do the second part also. So we have to divide 7648 by 1000. So quotient is 7 and मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ?
Remainder
Why only the last 3 digits will be the remainder? Why only the last 3 digits? Why not 2 digits?
because sir, only the first digit is 1 and the last digits are 0. So that's why.
The reason is that 1000 has 3 zeros. So आपको if there are 3 zeros, like if the number is 1000, 1000 has 3 zeros. If the number is 10,000, 10,000 has 4 zeros. So you will take the last 4 digits as the remainder. अगर 10,000 से divide करेंगे तो last 4 digits को remainder ले लेंगे. अगर 100 से divide करेंगे, अगर if we divide by 100, we will take the last 2 digits as remainder. Are you getting my point? Because 100 has
Yes,
2
sir.
zeros. So we have taken last 3 digits as the remainder और फिर पहले का जो बचा वो आपको quotient हो जाएगा. What are the last 3 digits? 648. This is the remainder. एक और मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. Yes.
Sir, and we can't divide 1000 with 648.
Yeah, 648 is smaller than 1000. So that is why
Yes, sir.
also. 34527 divided by 10,000. So here the quotient will be, पहले remainder लिख लेते हैं उसके बाद quotient लिखते हैं. So 10,000 has how many zeros? Count the number of zeros.
So 4.
4 zeros. So we will take the last 4 digits as the remainder. What is the remainder? 4,527.
4,527.
27 is the remainder and quotient is 3. Clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Can you do the remaining parts of the question?
Yes, sir. I can do.
Very good. Start doing. All of you. Do all the parts. Okay, so we have done the exercise. All of you done?
Yes, sir, I have done.
Good. Others, have you all done? बताओ बेटा. We all done? Tell me. Hridyansh, Mehul, Imad, have you done the exercise? All the questions?
Yes, sir.
Sir, I've done. I was typing.
Okay, now let us start with exercise 6.3. In this exercise, we have to divide a 3-digit number. Sorry, we have to divide numbers by a 3-digit number. That means the divisor will be 3-digit number. No problem in that. Same method. Have you ever done before? Division by a 3-digit number? पहले किया हुआ है आपने?
No, sir.
नहीं करा है? अरे no problem. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, so question A of exercise 6.3.
So do we have to write these work?
Sorry? Yes, in the notebook. Yes, yes.
Okay.
So question A, first part, we have to divide 80,892 by 126. This is the number 126. Divisor is 126. It is a 3-digit number. The process will remain the same even when you are dividing a number by a 3-digit number. अगर 4-digit का number है, then also the process will remain same. No problem. Very easy. So now 126 is a 3-digit number. If we take only the first digit from the dividend, 8, what is the first digit of the dividend? It is 8. तो वो 126 से छोटी है. If we take 2 digits, 80, then also it is smaller than 126. If we take 808, 3 digits अगर हमने ले ली 808, 808 is smaller or greater than 126?
Sir, it's greater.
It's greater. So we will try to get a number near 1808. 126 into, let's try with 6. 6 से try करके देखते हैं. 126 into 6 is what? 36, 12 plus 3, 15, 167, 756. We got 756. Yes. So we will write 6 here. 756 आएगा. If we take multiply 126 by 7, it will be greater than 808. So we will take 6 in the question. 756. Now subtract 8 minus 6, 2. 10 minus 5, 5. 52 is the remainder. You will copy 9. So 126 into 4 करके देखते हैं. 126 into 4. 4 into 6, 24. 8 plus 2, 10. 1, 504. Yes. So 4 will come here. 504. The remainder will be 25. So the last digit you will copy now. 252 is the number. 126 into 2 is equal to 252. So 2 times 252, remainder 0. So you got the answer. Quotient is 642 and the remainder is 0. Have you all understood how to do this?
Yes, sir. The process is same.
The process is exactly same. Okay. So start doing the questions, all of them. do
Hmm.
all the parts of this.